Transform canned chicken into a mouth-watering game day sensation with our buffalo chicken dip. Here we've got all the ingredients, including our amazing canned chicken, so let's get started. Preheat your oven, and then chop all your green onions, grate your cheese, and drain your cans of chicken. Then, in your saucepan, combine the mayo, your ranch dressing, Worcestershire sauce, and a full cup of hot sauce. Into the pan, okay, maybe a bit more, and then cut up your brick of cream cheese into the sauce. Add your garlic powder, and then melt everything on low heat, whisking it until smooth. Prepare your baking dish. Then take the sauce off of the heat and combine your green onions, your canned chicken, and your grated cheese, making sure to keep some for the top. Then stir everything together until the cheese has melted. Transfer it to your prepared baking dish, and then top with your grated cheese and panko crumbs. Then into the oven it goes for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your vegetables. Cut up some carrots, cucumbers, and celery. Then, take your dip out of the oven and sprinkle it with green onions. Serve with your favorite tortillas and vegetables and enjoy! Thanks for watching! Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.